way you wanted your season to end. Thoughts muna on the game and also the season that was for you.
On the game, well, Ateneo played really well, no? They made their shots. We missed our shots. Ang hirap na. I think they shot over 35% from three, and I don't know ilang kami, no? So mababa. So ganon. So and then we gave them a run in the second quarter. So it was really hard for us to catch up. Yeah.
Coach, thoughts lang din on the season that was for the team.
It was a hard, tough season, but kanina dun sa dugout, sabi ko nga, every time you end the season, the only thing you ask yourselves is if you gave it your all, no? So, kung ang sagot namin is yes, then we should welcome the results. I was very honest with them na I thought we should have been mga eight wins, no? May mga napakawalan kami previously na sana nakapasok kami, but again, you just learn from those losses. Hopefully we bring it to the next seasons. Yeah.
And said that Manzano played their last game, sure not the way or not the timing siguro she wanted your UAE. And thoughts lang din sa naging takbo mo to as far as the season week.
For me naman, a lot of improvement naman siguro sa akin simula nung rookie year ko hanggang ngayon. So, credit kila Coach Nas saka sa coaching staff na ginaid nila ako through season, yung 5 years na yun. So, malaking bagay para sa akin.